65.
Just type, let's see, equal to if it is coming in the cell, you can just type and let's see if it's coming or not. IFS or enter. No problems, no issues. So let's go to the next sheet. Yeah. Uh, Try changing some product category. So like, maybe health and beauty. Yeah. Try changing it. Yeah, it changed. Yeah, very nice. I liked it. If you can remove, yeah. So you have used $1 also in G8. I've seen that. So if you press F4 number of times, so select G8 in the formula, select G8, yeah. If you select G8, yeah. And if you press F4, you know what, press F4 once more. So it will give you $2 if you press one more. It will give you the row got fixed if you press one more. Okay, so you can press F4 number of times, you know. So whatever the way you want,
Okay.
use it. What was a mistake which you was doing it before?
I thought I needed to have the product ID um, part of the formula. I thought it was one of the criteria for it, but it wasn't.
Yeah.
So I had this selected.
Yeah. So in this sheet, we did the sum ifs, and count ifs. Similar formula comes average if and average if also. Have you tried it before?
Nope.
Let's try that also. Maybe like, yeah, you can give over here the average revenue. You can give the heading average revenue. Same way for the category and the location. Yeah, looks good. Very nice. Okay. Before we proceed to one thing, like one more task which I would like to do over here. If you can go to the logical operator sheet and copy this entire data from column A, copy this entire data, the header also. Control C and come to stats function, the next sheet, and go below where the data is finished. Go below. Yeah. And leave maybe three rows and then 75th row, 75th, A75, paste this data. Okay, now what I need in this sheet is I need two separate filters. So I need filters on above date also and on below date also.
Okay.
Try. So you applied filter on below. Now try applying on above.
Hmm. Got rid of it.
Okay, are you able to apply this? Are you able to apply two filters?
No.
No. Okay. So whenever you apply two filters on the same sheet, what you need to do is remove the normal filters. Remove the normal filters. Yeah. And select the top data. Select the above data. The first one. Yeah. And select the last. And go to home. In home, there's an option format as a table. Home. Go to yeah. The option is format as a table. Now choose any of the format. Yeah, choose any color which you like. Yeah. And this option should be clicked my table as headers, which is you click on OK now. Click on OK. If you click, you see it comes in like the light gray and the white, and it has
Yeah.
a filter. One step you have to go and do it for below data as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. And choose any other color. Yeah. Have you got like, the two filters on the same sheet? Similarly,
Yep.
you can have a filter. It has a lot of other options also, like if you keep the cursor on the first table, this is like table 1 and table 2. I'm talking about the above table. Yeah. If you see my number first row is appearing, but if you scroll a little bit, it start disappearing. No, that's how you do freeze pane. But in this case, table, it comes automatically. Can you see? The
Yep.
headers are automatically. So this
Yep.
also thing when you format as a table. Okay. Now go to column F. Go to column F. And suppose if you give the heading net.
Say it again.
Suppose if you give the heading net, NET, net price. Yeah, press enter. You'll see automatically formatting and auto filter came.
Oh, nice.
Nice, na? Yeah. And now what we're going to do is we are going to multiply cell D2 into E2. It will not take a cell name. It will take the header name. And now gives into, it's coming automatically. You have to give times sign into E2. If you press enter, automatically drag
Oh.
to the cells. Isn't it amazing?
Whoa. Yeah.
So whenever you're working in Excel, Microsoft emphasize a lot on working on the tables. Go down and add any other calculation in table 2. Up to you. Anything. Table 2 and add any calculation. Anything. With some heading.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have used concatenate. Good job. Nice. Okay. One more thing which you can do it in table. If you could just keep the cursor on table 1. And there's a last tab which is coming as design. The last tab after view, if you can see. Yeah, go to design. So this is table tools.
Bless you.
Thank you. And click on row thing. If you click on total row, after design, just check total row. You'll see at the last of the table, total row will start appearing. So go to the last of the table. Go to the last of the table. You'll see the total row and the total is coming off net. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And if you click sales now, click on sales, C7, it's like which cell it is there. Yeah. Click on the drop down. All the formulas are there. Like you say sum. And let's have count for store location. Go to store location and let's have counted. Yeah. And now from top, filter Chicago. From top store location, filter Chicago. Okay, so we have 30 stores in Chicago and sales is coming 3198. You can see, go, below. Can you see? It's like, it's showing you the total.
Yep.
Maybe you can filter for something else. Maybe let's filter for Boston.
Nice.
Yes. Let's filter for some product category. You have to first remove the store location, otherwise it will come only for Boston.
Okay.
So for the food and beverage, we have 2 stores and it's 3325. And the net is this one. Are we good?
Yep.
Let's do the same thing. Have a total row for the table 2 as well.
Okay.
In the text, like in gender, you could have applied count formula. So first clear the filter. Clear the filter. Yeah. Now if you see, like, okay, so now if you filter anything, you'll see it will show you the count. Yeah. So there are 2 students who have who failed, and the scores are this one and it's coming this way. Are we good?
Yes.
If you wish to remove the table functionality, how to remove it? So you need to keep cursor on the table 1, maybe go to table 1 and right click, and the option come table, and you have to say convert to range. Do you want, so now it is no longer a table. Maybe colors are there, but it's not a table now. Now if
Okay.
you add one more column at the last, you'll see automatically filter and things will not happen. If you add something at the last, you add one more column, insert column after the